Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIBA update for Wednesday 17th of August. Now we are on Wednesday, and this is basically SHIB right now trying to make sideways movement at this current point of time. So let's talk about what SHIB can do from here, because it's really making some amazing candlestick to try to go to the upside. Now one thing is very clear, you do have some sort of a morning star being printed right now, and it seems like it's actually looking to make a little bit of a continuation, probably up here to 2000 or whatever. So what I'm going to say is that if you're looking to put in the next leg to the upside, right, so you might actually end up coming up to 1683 and get rejected. So you could go up to this level and get rejected here, who knows, or try to cross this level and then get rejected and come down, and then you could be putting first top and a second top and a potential double top to roll to the downside. Now if you actually, however, come up here, break this level, back the retest at 1683, then I'm pretty sure you're looking for SHIB to go to 2000 level, which is going to be the next price target at the moment. And that's pretty much it for SHIB update. Very quick one right now. Now do keep a stop loss down here. If you do see SHIB coming down to 1541, then I'm not going to be confident on this trade at the moment. And that's pretty much it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.